In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a roadmap using Canva. Whether you're planning a project, visualizing a strategy, or simply organizing your ideas, a roadmap can be an invaluable tool. Canva, with its user-friendly design interface and rich templates, makes it incredibly easy to create stunning visuals, even if you're not a design expert. So, let's walk through the steps to get you started. First, log into your Canva account. Once you're in, head to the search bar at the top of the screen. Here you'll want to type the word roadmap. Canva's search feature is designed to make it easy to find exactly what you need by filtering through their extensive library of templates. This will bring up a wide variety of roadmap templates that you can choose from, tailored to various styles and purposes. It's a good idea to think about what suits your needs best. Consider the type of information you want to display, and the aesthetic that aligns with your brand or personal preference. After browsing through the options, click on the roadmap template that catches your eye. This is where Canva really shines. The selection of templates is crafted by professional designers, so you can be sure to find something visually appealing and functionally effective. Once you find the perfect template, simply click on it to open the editing interface. You'll see a button labeled Customize this template. Go ahead and click that to start personalizing your roadmap. Customizing is where you can let your creativity flow. You can modify every element of the template to match your vision. Start by focusing on the text, double click on any text box to edit it, replace the placeholder text with your own content. If you have specific goals, timelines, or milestones to outline, adjust the text to reflect these. Keep in mind the importance of clarity and brevity. You want your roadmap to be easy to understand at a glance. Next, don't forget to fine-tune other elements like colors, fonts, and icons to match your theme or branding. Canva makes it straightforward to adjust these elements. Simply click on any component to bring up the editing options. Experiment with different colors to ensure the roadmap stands out and is easy to read. Similarly, choose fonts that are both stylish and legible. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to save your work. Click on the download button in the upper right corner to export your roadmap in the format of your choice. You can also share it directly from Canva to collaborate with your team or present it in meetings. With your roadmap ready, you're now set to showcase your strategic planning effectively. And there you have it, you've successfully created a roadmap in Canva. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and inspires you to use Canva for other creative projects. Be sure to explore all the other features Canva has to offer, and happy designing.